Hello everyone. Today I want to open new topic about advanced calculation, or we can call it how does it possible. How does it possible to calculate like this? Okay, that is the first position. That is quite advanced level. You can take a pause and try to calculate variations here. And after a while we will try to understand this position together. Okay, white to move. They need to attack the king always with the tempo, otherwise black can start counterattack, so it should be forced. And quite obvious moves from the beginning. Attack the king. King can go to b7 because knight d8. If king go to c8, queen d8 and knight c5, that is checkmate already. So only move king a8. Everything is forced. Queen d8, king b7. And here white have incredible move, so you can take a pause again and try to find here how can white to win in this position. And if you found here, I'm congratulations for you, yes, because this move seems impossible to find. Queen takes b6, a brilliant move. If ab, knight d8 and knight f7, and take a pause and calculate what will happen after king takes b6. Yes, after king takes b6, a5, and if king move to a6, knight c5, checkmate, and if king moves to c6 or b7, knight d8 and knight takes f7. I will stop here with this variation. The good question, how does it possible to see it from the starting position? And then it's even hard to find, not in the starting position, even here it's very hard to find this move. But if you can find moves like this, you probably can win many games, because not many people can calculate it, not many people can expect it. Okay, another position, advanced calculation. So white to move, try to calculate this position, is a very interesting position. I hope you calculated enough time. So almost all moves for white here is forced. King g3, in the best move, rook takes f2. I hope you saw it now. If king f2, bishop b6, white simply lose the game. They need to try counterattack, rook h5, but king g6, king attacks rook d5, attack the bishop, bishop b6, take a pulse, and find now how to play for white again. Calculate it. Okay, rook d6, alright. King f5, rook b6, alright, and now rook f3. And if you already watched video, my previous videos, maybe you already know this position. I already suggested for you for the solution. If king takes f3, black can simply take ab, and black has a position, so black will win. And take a pulse and find incredible move here for the white. Yes, king g2, and after b, king f3, white has a position, and that is the draw. Thank you so much for watching this video. I think if we have right question is even more important than the answer. If we have right question, a right answer will come. So, and if we are thinking how does it possible to calculate like this, we will find answers, and I think we will have more and more videos about calculation, because calculation is the most important in chess. Thank you so much. Subscribe on the channel and just enjoy new videos, new ideas. Knowing more and more new ideas, that is the way how can we grow in chess, how can we calculate like this. One of the answers, you need simply know more and more ideas. The more ideas you know, the easier you can calculate something incredible like in these advanced calculations. Okay, bye bye, be happy.